Book of Heaven, Volume 11, September 6, 1913. The hours of the Passion are the very prayers of Jesus. I was thinking about the hours of the Passion, which have now been written, and how they are without any indulgence. So those who do them gain nothing, while there are many prayers enriched with many indulgences. While I was thinking of this, my always lovable Jesus, all kindness, told me,
"My daughter, through the prayers with indulgences one gains something, but the hours of my passion, which are my very prayers, my reparations, and all love, have come out of the very depth of my heart. Have you perhaps forgotten how many times I have united myself with you to do them together, and I have changed chastisements into graces over the whole earth? So my satisfaction is such and so great, that instead of the indulgence, I give the soul a handful of love, which contains incalculable prices of infinite value. And besides, when things are done out of pure love, my love finds its outpouring, and it is not insignificant that the creature gives relief and outpouring to the love of the Creator.